This lesson, we're going to be adding in the score functionality into our game. Now we could go into our HTML and add the score in here, but we're going to make this a little bit more interesting where we're going to add it in using JavaScript. So we're going to be building out our score area. And we can do that where we build the board. So taking our play area object, and we're going to set our score. And this is where we're going to be doing document, create element. So we haven't done this yet, where we're going to create an element and then we're going to use it later on within our JavaScript. So creating a span and play area score. So this is the one that we've just created. We haven't placed it yet within our HTML yet. Update the inner HTML of that element. So let's say press button to start. So just have some plain text there. And play area stats. So this is the one that we created earlier. So let's play area stats. And what we did before, where we use append child in JavaScript to add in our freshly created element, and that was the play area scorer. So we're adding it into our board. And now we're going to create another function that's going to update the score. So whenever we click it and we get a hit, then we want to update our score. So creating an element, update score, and we can use play area scorer, so the one that we just created, and take that inner HTML and setting our score to be equal to, and then we've got our score that we're holding within player score. And then we also have the lives, or the number of misses. I'll just call it lives now, player, and that's items. So now whenever there's any time within the gameplay that we update the score, such as over here where we did a hit and we updated our score, we should follow that with the function to update the score. And also when we build out our board, we should update the score as well. It's actually going to sit and start, which is a better place for it. So when we start game, we're going to update the score as well. So we see our score is updating as we click the elements and we achieve scores within the game. Next, we need to take care of the misses or the lives so that there is a cost to missing it and we actually have an end to this game. So the objective is that if you miss 3 of the lives, then the game is over. So let's set that up, and that's coming up in the next lesson. So go ahead and add the score. And of course, you can go into your HTML and create it and link to it within the JavaScript as we did before. And also, it's always a good exercise, practice exercise to build it out and then make use of it within your code. So go ahead and try that out as well.